It is very difficult to create a online lesson for our students. We need to add many things to make it interactive and engaging to the students. We need to add a link to Google Docs, Google Slides, a link to another OER sites, or a link to discussion forum, a link to YouTube channels, or link to questions, question and answers, quiz. The many more links we have to add. It is very difficult, right? But Insert Learning is a web tool. It is a one-step solution for all these challenges. Yes, Insert Learning is helping us to turn any web page into interactive lessons and to create a great learning experience to our students. Using Insert Learning tool, we can highlight a text, we can add a sticky note, insert questions, videos, or images, discussion forum, all inside the same single web page that can be assigned to Google Classroom also. If you go to any web page and find it is very interesting, you wanted to share with our students, no restrictions. You can annotate that, you can highlight that, you can give a personal note on that page, you can add some relevant videos on the same website. So all this done with the help of a single tool, web tool, Insert Learning. The same web page can be shared with our students through Google Classroom. This Insert Learning web page is designed for the Google Classroom. It's a very, very interesting, the one-stop solution for all your challenges. We will see one by one. Come on, let us move into the website.